Hi everyone, it's Rosana and today I want to teach you how to make achiote or annatto infused oil. Since we are going to be using it for many of our recipes, we decided it deserved a video of its own. Let me show you how to make it. We are going to need achiote seeds for this recipe. Here's how they look. Achiote is an ingredient of great value due to the bright red orangey color it imparts when added to food. Its scent is delicate and subtle with a sweet, nutty, and light peppery flavor that is perfect for your recipes. Start by simply pouring in 2 cups of oil into a medium saucepan. I'm using olive oil in this recipe, but you can use canola, vegetable, and avocado oil if you desire. Then add in 1/3 cup of achiote seeds and let it reach a very low simmer on medium-low heat. It's important not to let it boil. If you feel the heat is too high, simply lower it to prevent ruining the oil. Allow it to infuse for 10 minutes. You will watch the magic happen as it turns into a bright red color with hints of orange and yellow as well. During this process, the oil will infuse itself with the amazing qualities of the seeds. After 10 minutes, the oil should be ready. Remove from the stove and allow it to cool down. Then strain to get rid of the seeds. It's ready to be used. It's perfect for sauteing in or cooking fish, meats, rice, stews, and many more dishes. It's widely used in Mexican cuisine, so this is definitely a recipe to master because it is insanely easy to make, and the flavor and color it provides will take your recipes to the next level and make them irresistible. Don't forget to share this amazing recipe with friends and family. Also subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. Enjoy!